Austin, Texas. A Texas judge on Thursday allowed a woman to terminate her pregnancy despite the state's strict abortion ban because her fetus was diagnosed with what doctors described as a terminal illness. Kate Cox, a 31-year-old mother of two who lives in the Dallas area, said she learned last week that her baby suffered from trisomy 18, a chromosome disorder that usually results in stillbirth or the baby's early death. The Center for Reproductive Rights filed an emergency lawsuit on behalf of Cox and her husband on Monday. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's office issued a statement saying the temporary restraining order does not exempt hospitals, doctors, or anyone else from civil and criminal liability for violating Texas abortion laws. Paxton's office also included a letter sent to several medical centers outlining actions to be taken against doctors who perform abortions. The Center for Reproductive Rights said the state had no immediate right to object. According Center for Reproductive Rights, Gambles echoes 1973's Roe v. It is believed to be the first decision since Wade in which a judge allowed a woman legally have an abortion. The decision applies only to Cox. Abortion rights demonstrators attend a rally at the Texas State Capitol on May 14, 2022 in Austin, Texas. Eric GayAP According the lawsuit. Cox, who is 20 weeks pregnant, went to 3 different emergency rooms in the past month and was told by doctors that early screening and ultrasound tests showed her pregnancy was unlikely result in a healthy baby. The lawsuit alleges because of Texas' strict abortion bans, doctors told that her hands were tied and she would have to wait until the fetus inside or the pregnancy would have to go into a third CTERM episode only to watch her baby suffer until she dies. On November 28, Cox received amniocentesis results confirming that her fetus suffered from a genetic condition called trisomy 18. According to the lawsuit, this diagnosis means that her pregnancy may not last until birth, and if that continues, her baby will not be born either, will be stillborn or will survive only minutes, hours or days. Cox was told by a specialist that her fetus suffered from a spine abnormality and that multiple serious conditions were seen with each ultrasound over the next 5 weeks. The lawsuit said. The lawsuit comes as the state Supreme Court is weighing whether the state's strict abortion ban is too restrictive for women experiencing serious pregnancy complications. A judge in Austin ruled earlier this year that women with extreme complications could be exempt from ban. But decision is pending while all Republican Supreme Court considers state's appeal. In arguments before the state Supreme Court, the state's attorneys argued that a woman who was pregnant and received a fatal fetal diagnosis could sue in this particular case. Texas has some of the strictest abortion laws in the country. In 2021, Texas Governor Greg Abbott SIG.